What are we doing, David? Where are we going?
It should be a pretty cool time, huh?
How are you awake?
I don't know, bro. I actually didn't wake up. I don't feel that tired.
Guys, David and Jay went to the club at 5 a.m. It started at 5 a.m. You guys are crazy, bro.
Bro, we're gonna go tonight, you guys.
They want to go. Oh, no. Hold up. Nick, where you at?
I don't have a hoodie, bro.
Should be fine.
Should I bring one?
Nah. Anyways, guys, yeah, David and Jay, they went to the club at 5 in the morning. I don't know how you guys are doing it, bro. That's crazy. Anyways, we're on the 32nd floor. And right now, what are we doing? We're gonna go check out some cars. We're gonna go shopping. I'm excited.
You are my $2.something million car.
It's a day in the life with Kevin today.
Alright guys, getting in the Uber right now. We gotta stop at Chrome Hearts real quick. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. We got a crazy day today, guys. I'm super excited because we're gonna see Lambo Raul's warehouse. He's got crazy cars, SVJs, all this stuff. So we got a bunch of stuff to do today. I'm excited. So let's get the show on the road, guys. That's what we're staying at.
Answer?
It's just so nice over here.
What do you think of it?
Alright guys, well, we made it down to Chrome Hearts. Literally had to make an appointment just to come here. So stupid, but that's how they work. They didn't let us in the Chrome Hearts store because I made the appointment on, I think on Wednesday or Thursday when we came the first time, and I made it for 12. So I got the text saying your confirmation has been reserved, blah blah blah, for Chrome Heart. And so we get there. I got there actually, yeah. So I checked on the website, like on the link, whatever they made me the appointment, and I put that I was gonna be late. So on the thing it said from 12 to 12:30. I thought I could be there from 12 to 12:30, and apparently it's either from 12 to 12 to, you have 10 minutes. And if you're not there in those 10 minutes, they cancel your reservation. Dude, that's just sick. Dude, the new facelift is sick. I'm not gonna lie. All the ambient lighting in there. Damn, that is a nice color. I think I saw that one for sale. Bugatti, guys, look at the Bugatti. Oh, shit. Dude, the Bugatti, again, the 16 edition. Bro.
Bro, is it?
Bro.
The first thing we see? Freaking Raul, bro. God damn.
That is crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. It's full carbon too. It's a full carbon Bugatti.
Bro, this thing is beautiful. What the fuck?
Alright guys, so we just got to Nick's friend's car warehouse where he has a bunch of crazy cars. He has Bugatti, SVJ, Urus, he has McLaren Senna. He literally has like so many freaking cars. Today, we are at his warehouse to check out all the whips that he has. It's so sick. It's crazy.
Bro.
What's up, bro? Kevin.
What's up, bro?
Bro, the way that thing starts up is crazy. It's literally wild. The way the blue hits with the carbon is so freaking nice. Like all the accents on it. Bro, he's dipping in that little thing. The Bugatti and the Cullinan. Fuck, G. That's rich. To have both? Color. Oh my god, bro. Let's go inside. Damn.
Crazy, huh?
Oh my god, bro.
Ridiculous, bro.
Jeez.
Yeah, there's a few cars in here.
Look, we're back in the garage.
What the freak,
Where's like
bro?
the fantasy package for
The SVJ.
The coolest garage
Damn.
ever. SVJ right there. Bunch of
The
Ferraris.
Ducati.
That one's
Sick.
ridiculous, bro.
Huh?
That one's
Bro.
ridiculous.
812, yeah. I think that's one of...
Look at the chairs. What the? Bro. More cars over here? Damn, bro. Pool table. Bro. The Porsche Turbo S. The little Huracan. Look, the Performante. The new GT3 RS. GT4 RS. GTR. I think it's 20S, 765 maybe. Dang, dude, that's a crazy ass garage. Holy shit, bro, insane. Damn.
Well, I literally wouldn't know what's inside. What would you do, bro?
Bro, you got one that's your favorite and you know that's the one you just take.
It's crazy.
This is good, right? Yeah, dude.
I know, you literally got the gym. All right, guys, photo shooting the Bugatti. Sheesh. Stay to the end of the video so you guys can see the photos. But such a crazy car, guys. 1500 horsepower, W16. Literally the craziest car ever. And the interior is just insane too. Matte red, shit, nice suit. If I had that car,
Huh?
I'd have a different girl every day.
I'm a different dude.
You're tripping, dog. Oh my god, dude. It's a motivation, guys. 25 years old, has a Bugatti.
Well, they go faster than
Oh my gosh, bro, he's gonna launch it. He's gonna launch it. Bro, that thing flew.
Yeah.
Holy crap, bro. Bugatti at 25. Just shows you that anything is possible, though. He's your age?
Yeah.
Bro,
I'm almost there.
shit wild, dude.
That's crazy, fool.
Whew. I'm not going in the front. I keep going in the front of these Ubers. All right, guys.
Hey, the homie didn't hook you.
We made it to Prime 1112 out in Miami, South Beach. We heard it's good, so we're gonna check it out. We got the whole squad with us. Look at Ayers. Sheesh, and the Beamer. Damn, Rich. Rich and the X5. 2024, full screen. Damn. Oh,
Fire.
that's
Fire
sick.
wheels.
All right, guys, we out here. Prime 1112. I heard it's good, so we're gonna check it out. All the homies. Bro, David. All right, guys, what's going on, everybody?
I'm sorry about that. Oh my god.
How does David spill everywhere we go? He's a mess.
Damn.
Bro, what the? Did they inject it or something?
Bro, that's a crazy. What is it?
Bro, what?
Oh my god.
This is huge. Potato.
Damn, that's one?
Stop.
Hold on.
Bro.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
God damn, bro.
Happy birthday.
Where'd they get this shit from?
Happy birthday, dear Mundo. Happy birthday to you.
Stop. What the hell? I don't trust it. I knew it.
Get you some forks.
Thank you.
Look at this.
It's my birthday every day.
It's my birthday every day.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.